Are you thinking about selling your house? Have you pondered the thought of going it alone without the help of a realtor? Well, listen up, because this new company is saving sellers thousands of dollars. If you want total control of selling your house, maximum online exposure, save thousands of dollars in real estate commissions, and only pay a 3% commission if a realtor brings you a buyer, you should consider doing a flat fee MLS listing. Have you ever heard of iBuy Realty? They have a seller program called iBuy Owner. Sellers only pay an upfront flat fee of $995, and your house goes on the MLS, Trulia, Zillow, and over 30 other real estate websites. Visit www.ibuyrealty.com for more details.